On this Civic, P065A is an ACG no-charging malfunction. In plain terms, the ECM/PCM may be seeing a charging system problem. The vehicle may show a charge warning, low battery behavior, dim lights, or starting complaints. The broad possible fault areas are the drive belt, the alternator, and a related low-voltage charging fault that may be present at the same time. We are going to keep this focused on P065A and work through the checks in order. Before troubleshooting, save the freeze data and any onboard snapshot. Take a minute to look at the basic fault context before making a call. That captured data matters because it tells you what the vehicle was doing when the fault was logged. Start with the basic system checks. Turn the ignition switch to on, position 2, and check pending and confirmed codes with the HDS. If the related low-voltage charging code is present at the same time, diagnose that code first. If it is not present, stay on the P065A path and move to the belt inspection. Next, inspect the drive belt. This is the main split in the P065A chart. If the drive belt is not okay, replace the drive belt. If the drive belt is okay, the path calls for repairing or replacing the alternator. Keep the verification separate from the testing. After the corrective action, verify the repair and confirm P065A stays gone. The takeaway is simple. Capture the data, check for the companion voltage fault first, then use the belt condition to decide whether the fault path points to the belt or the alternator. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.